this video we'll see how the recursion works and how you can write recursive functions so it will be easier for you and avoiding any for loops for it. I'll just give you an example, a hint of it, so it will be easier for you to understand. So recursion is going back into an iterative process until your programs comes out or shuts off. Let's say you want to print 1 to 10 without a for loop. What you can do is just click on print and go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and voila, you can see this 1 to 10. Or what you can do is just write, or you can do is for I in range 1 to 11, 11, basically incremental of 1 exits at 11, print I, sorry, and hey, you can see 1 to 10. But if you don't want to use any loop, you just have to use anything else, you are being asked how can you print it. What you'll do is just write a function, let's say print nums, I say, and I'm passing n over here, and I'm asking it whatever I am getting the print, just print n. But before doing anything, if n is greater than 10, exit what? Return. And also further printing it on, you can ask this function yet again, print nums what? N plus 1. If I'm passing in print underscore nums as 1, what I'll do? It'll just print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yet again, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So how does it work? In the first instance, it is going for print, it's checking whether the n is greater than 10. No, it is not returning anything. Then it prints n, so for here n is 1. Then again it goes in the function with n plus 1 value. What is n plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. Goes and checks again, prints 2. Then 3 prints 3. How can you edit this code even further? Because this doesn't look like a good code for me. Instead of writing this, you can say if n is less than or equal to 10, you can print n and then call print nums, n plus 1. Print nums n plus 1, and you don't have to return anything because I have not defined anything. If n is greater than 11, it will not do anything and will just go back. So that's how recursion works.